doing? Okay. Your brake lights are out. And you did not stop. Oh! Gee, that was a cutoff. Oh, hi, Psycho. Hi, Red Light Runner. You're tailgating a student driver. Stop, 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 stop. You're in the red. Right. Stop tailgating. You ran the red light. Stop! You gotta stop. You gotta stop too. Hi, close enough, thank you. Close enough, thank you. Red Light Runner. Red arrow. Gee, don't fucking hit me! Jesus Christ. Oh, the hell are you doing? One lane, shithead. Am I gonna hit every fucking light down here? Left turn dive. Dive left. Dive left. Okay, yeah. Dive right. What are you doing? You're not getting into the right lane. It's a climbing lane. That's a lane that's ending both the Toyotard and Lextard. Thank y'all. Make up your mind, dum-dum. Oh, cut off. That was not a stop. It was not even close to a stop. Yield. Yeah, that was not a yield. How about you go to the chart to the middle lane, cut someone off. Thanks, scumbag! Volks maggot. Stop. Wow. You had a red. That was not a stop. Cut off. Shut off, you fucking high beams. Do you mind? Fucking hit me, you shit stain. Well, turn the sign around if you want me to stop. Turn the sign around. Can I go? Can I go? Okay, I went. Know the difference between slow and stop, Dingleberry. Stop tailgating. It's not really the smartest place to be riding a fucking bike at the time, you know. Hey, sorry.